Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is write in words. Okay, part 2, my dear students. It's write in words part 2 today. And your lecture number is 11. And your homework number is 5. You have a homework today, okay, my dear students. Now look, we will learn from 11 to 15 in words how to write down. In the previous class, that means in part 1 we have learned from 1 to 10. Today we will learn from 11 to 15, only 5 numbers word. Okay, first number is 11. 1 and 1 make the number 11. We should write down this number in words. Okay, the 11 spelling of 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Okay, the first number is 11 today, and the spelling of 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. My dear students, the next number is 12. 1 and 2 makes the number 12. The spelling of 12 is T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Okay, I repeat, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12 in words. Now the next number is 13. 1 and 3 make the number 13. When we write down 13 in words, we should write down the spelling of 13. It's 13. The spelling of 13 is T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Okay, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13, or you can say that T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Okay, next number is 14. 1 and 4 makes the number 14. My dear students, the spelling of 14 is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14, or you can say that F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, but it is better to say that F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Okay, 14. And our last number is 15 today. This is 1 and 5 makes the number 15, and the spelling of 15 is F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Okay, my dear students, I repeat again from 11 to 15 now. The first number today is 11. Okay, the spelling of 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Next number is 12. 1 and 2 makes the number 12. The spelling of 12 is T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. After 12, the number comes 13. 1 and 3 makes the number 13, and the spelling of 13 is T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. After 13, the number comes which is 14. 1 and 4 makes the number 14, and the spelling of 14 is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. The next number, 1 and 5 makes the number 15, and the spelling of 15 is F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. My dear students, you have a homework today, and your homework number is 5. Please mention your homework number in your HW copy, my dear students. After that, you should write down the topic. The topic is write in words. Okay, then my dear students, you should write down with that means my writing, like my writing. You should write down the numbers first, then must give the equal signs. Okay, and then you should write down in words the numbers. Okay, the numbers you should write down in words. That means the spelling you should write down in your HW copy. Thank you, my dear students. I think you have understood my today's lecture. See you again, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.